Guys, hope you are doing well. This is the third video of getX course. So in this video we are going to learn about route management in getX. So hopefully you guys have watched our last videos on getX introduction and how to use getX utility functions like snack bar, bottom sheet, and many more. So in this video we are going to learn about route management in getX. Why we need to learn about route management in getX, especially when Flutter provides the way of navigation. So in this video I will show you the advantages of using getX navigation. So let's run the app, and it is debugging. So I have created a very simple UI. You can see it's main, and then it is going to the home screen. Inside home screen I have two buttons. So basically when someone click on to the go to profile screen, then this will basically redirect toward profile, and this button will basically redirect toward settings screen. So how we can navigate without getX? So there are a bunch of stuff that we have to write manually, like navigator dot push, and then material page route, then builder context, and then we have to show the widget where we want to navigate, in this case profile screen. So you can see guys how much manual work is there and how iterative and boredom it is. So what is basically getX doing? Now let's compare. In this line of code I'm going towards profile screen, and in this button I'm going toward setting screen, but using getX. You can see I'm using get for navigation, setting screen. Yeah, that's it guys. Please check it out how much code is there, and compare it with this very magic code. I think both is doing same work, but one is doing it in a many line of code, and one is doing it in very effective line of code. Now let's move toward the profile screen. When I click, you can see I switch toward profile screen. This is how we can navigate using normal navigation, and this is how we can navigate using getX. But getX, if you have observed, we got animation as well. You can see cherry on the cake, like this is without navigation getX, you can see, and upon getX we are getting a beautiful animation. So let me show you how we can use animations in order to use during navigation. So let me navigate toward profile using getX. Profile screen, and then we have to declare the curves dot. You can see we have too many curves, we have too many type of animation that we can use during navigation from one screen to another. Suppose I'm using bounce in out, and specify duration is 3 seconds. So now let's check the effect how we are going to navigate from uh, home screen toward the profile screen. Wow, you guys can see how amazing it is. Now let's try with another animation. Ease in, and let's check this. There are bunch of animations you guys can see and use in your applications. So please explore it by yourself. Now I'm using fast linear to slow. Okay guys, so now we have learned about a very basic thing, very basic syntax of navigation. Now we have to learn about named route in getX. So these are basic navigation. Now let's do navigation from the route. So getX basically provide their own way to handle routes. So now let's see how we can use name route name routes in getX. So for that we have to write get pages, and basically every page or every widget is considered as a page in getX. So for example, we have three pages. One is the home screen, one is the profile, and one is setting. So we have to declare three pages there. How we can declare? Get page. So basically this is the syntax. You have to provide the name for the home. It's a convention of using slash. So I'm using it forward slash home page, home screen. And for the profile, I'm doing the same thing. Get page name slash profile, and page is basically the function or the widget that you will be passing to the UI profile screen. And third is the setting screen. So we are done with passing getX pages. Now let's run application. First we have to remove home because we are already sending it through a forward slash. Now let's restart. You can see actually I have not removed that, why it got confused. He's confused at which one should I use, the forward slash one or the already explicitly written one. So let's restart. Okay, so you can see it is going to the slash route. Slash route is basically the default route for home. We are at now home screen. If we can see nothing is working there. Not it is going to profile, not going to setting, because we have not implemented yet. Now let's implement how we can navigate using named route. Get dot to named. Yes, then we have to provide there the route name. So for profile I have used slash profile, and for setting I have used slash setting and dot to named slash setting. Now let's see. Going to click on profile, sending me to the profile screen. Clicking on a setting screen is basically sending me toward the setting screen. So yeah guys, you have checked that how getX is powerful at navigation. It provides you very amazing tool, like you can provide animation during navigation. You can easily navigate from one screen to another. So yeah guys, that's it for the videos. Stay tuned. Now we are coming with state management tutorial in getX. So please like and subscribe.